Достается сим.
Let's try the cassette. Okay, let's go forward. Backwards. Let's see how radio looks in the dark, just to make sure all the backlights are okay. All of them are perfect. Now, in order to activate the Bluetooth, simply press M button once. Now the Bluetooth is activated on the radio. Let's go to our cell phone, turn on the Bluetooth. Wait a few seconds, and here it is. Now all we have to do is play any music you have on your cell phone. How cool is that to have radio from 1980s with the Bluetooth? Let's try another song. When you want to back to your regular FM radio or cassette player, simply press U button once. And you're back to FM mode. Thumbs up.